Hey guys, Monica from Honeybee Designs here showing you the home menu walkthrough in Canva. So here's Canva. If you hit the hamburger menu, it can disappear or reappear. So this gives you all of our menu items. So search gives you the ability to search for templates already in the Canva program or projects that you've created. So for example, so we'll search for Facebook. Any templates in Canva with the word Facebook or projects you've created with the word Facebook will show up. So here's another way you can start a design. You can create a custom size design by pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Also just upload a file and just start with a file, so you don't have to start with a specific size. You can drag and drop, or you can click on the browse button and pull up a file. So if you want to drag and drop a file, I'll show you how you can do that. Just pull up a file and then just drag and drop right in. Okay, so another way you can start a design is to click the Create a Design in the top right, and you can start with any template or size. You can click on Custom again and create a custom size. You can edit a photo and just pull in a photo, or you can import a file and just start with any sort of file. So that's create a design, or you can look through. So they've got options here at the top. We just clicked on more to show you all of the different design sizes that you can start with and templates that you can start with. So if we go to the For You page, it shows you can create flyers, t-shirts, and then this also shows you all of the recent designs, which is kind of nice. Another way you can see your designs is to click on projects, and you can organize your designs into folders, or it automatically organizes them into images, file types. You can click by all projects, or just your own projects, or projects shared with you. If you go just back to your projects here, you can see they're organized by folders, designs, images, and videos. You can add a folder by clicking on the plus sign and naming your folder, and then adding team members as well if you have other members in your team who want to see the same designs. So create the folder, and once it's created, it'll be in your projects. Here you can see I created the Canva folder. You can rename it, star it, move it to another folder, share it, or delete it. We'll just go ahead and delete this folder. So we'll just click delete. We're going to move on to the apps here on the left menu. You can see discover apps. Some cool ones: Smart Mockups, Google Photos, Instagram, so add your Instagram photos to your designs, Duotone, YouTube, so adding YouTube videos to your design, QR codes for if you want to create a business card, and again, Smart Mockups. So if we click on Smart Markups on the left here, you can see all of the different types of mockups that you can create in Canva. So this is really great for business owners. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much everything. On the left-hand menu, you can look at things that you put in the trash if you want to pull anything back from out of the trash. Let's go back to our home menu. If you click on the letter to the top right, you can see your account settings, get help, get the Canva apps. You just get more options. You can sign out there too. At the top here, we have plans and pricing, so you can actually look at the different plans they have, and if you want to upgrade, you can see what the price is going to be like. So if you click on compare pricing here, you get the full plans and pricing guide here. It's free automatically, and you get all of these features, but you can upgrade to Canva Pro for $120 a year, which I think is totally worth it for all the features you get. And you can be billed monthly or yearly and customized by how many people you want to have access to it. You can also compare all the features down here, so see what each plan allows you to do. If you come all the way down, you can see here that Canva is actually free for nonprofits. So if you just register your nonprofit, you can get it for free. And for students and teachers, they have what's called Canva for Education, which you're able to access for free. So if you are a student or teacher, click here to get more information about that. And then, yeah, you can see here you can do a free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days to see if it's for you, if it's worth it. After that, it will start charging you though, so be careful. Here under Design Spotlight, these are just more types of designs you can create. Under Business, it shows you how you can use different features for your business. Education just gives you a lot of guides. Learn also gives you more guides on how to actually use Canva. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Come hang out with us at Honeybee Designs on Instagram, or order your own custom vector pet at honeybeedesigns.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips and tricks.